because there's no circuit for the electricity to flow through. But if I have this solution here, I can lower the light bulb so that the wires touch the solution.
Sure.
And oh, it's starting to light up a little bit. You can see that there's the light bulb is lighting up. And that's because inside this solution, it's full of ions, and that's because I dissolved some calcium hydroxide in here. So there's a bunch of positive charged molecules and positively charged ions and negatively charged ions, which allows the electricity current to flow through. And also, did you know that if water is completely purified, it doesn't conduct electricity? It's the only reason why water is able to conduct electricity, or you see it conduct, is because there's all these different ions and little pieces inside of it. So I'll be using these straws to make a chemical reaction by breathing into the water, or not the water, this solution. And we'll see what happens. And as you can see, the light went out. And it's not because I blew into it because the light's a candle. Well, blew it out like a candle. It's because there's a reaction taking place inside this where my breath, the carbon dioxide, is reacting with the calcium hydroxide to create calcium carbonate, which does not conduct electricity. So I did the reaction, and to the point where the light bulb doesn't light anymore. But if I add some vinegar to the solution, it should be able to light back up. That's cool. By reintroducing ions into the solution, because this is an acid. And acids have ions.